Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time coming to my channel, my name is Atuneke. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this gorgeous cornrow headband wig. Yeah. So from the beginning of the video, I already show you all what we are going to be using to achieve this gorgeous wig. I made a mistake in showing you a big crochet hook from the beginning. I'm going to be making use of a very small crochet hook. Keep on watching. You're going to be seeing the kind of crochet hook I'm going to be making use of. Now I'm just picking the hair out so that after I finish picking the hair, I'm going to be brushing the hair so that it won't be tangled. So after that, I already made one as a sample of what I'm going to be doing. Now this is the crochet hook I'm talking about. This is the smallest crochet hook I'm using. After I finish crocheting the hair, I'll start braiding the hair. Just normal braiding, just like box braid. So just keep on watching. I'm just braiding the hair, just normal braid, nothing extraordinary, just doing a normal braid. So you can see, just braiding it down. After I get to the tip of the braid, I won't braid it finish. I'm going to be adding coils towards the end. I just want to add some spice to the hair. You know me, I like being extraordinary, so that is why I'm adding some coils towards the end. I don't want to use any coily wand or anything to coil the hair, start dipping to the hot water. No, I just want a very full coils towards the end, so I'll be adding some expression coils towards the end of the braids. As I finish braiding, I'll be holding the braids down to the back with a T-pin. The only mistake I did, you are going to see towards the end of this video, was me removing all the T-pin to start gumming the hair down. That was the only mistake I did, which you should not do that if you want to make your own DIY cornrow headband wig. Just make sure if you want to gum the hair down, make sure you remove each T-pin, then gum it, remove one. Don't remove everything at a time, or else everything will just it will just scatter. So you see what I mean towards the end of the video. So I just keep cornrolling, crochet cornrow till I get to the end of the wig. Kindly please keep on watching, and please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe if you've not. I really appreciate that so much. Kindly join my lovely farm, because I have a lot of interesting content to keep showing you all. This was what I was talking about by me taking out all the tip-in and start gumming. Let me tell you, towards the back I did like 8 to 10 single braid towards the back, because I want the back to be kind of full. I don't want it to be scanty, so that is why I did like 8 or 10 braids off camera. So I just keep gumming. So this is what I was talking about. Don't bring out all the braid. Gum each braid by you removing the tip-in, one tip-in, then gum it down, remove the one the way you lay it from the beginning when you started making the wig. This was the part I was talking about. You can see that I could not I could not gum to the back, as in straight to the back. It has already formed a curve, but I have to fix it. So I tried just to lay the hair like that by gumming everything towards the side, but it didn't even show towards the end of the wig. It didn't show, so just keep on watching. So I have to just lay it over when there is no space for me just to gum it straight to form the all back cornrow. So I just have to use that idea. This is after when I've already finished laying all the cornrow. You can see this is really beautiful. I really love the outcome of this hair. So now I'm going to be sewing down the headband. Yes, I'm going to be sewing down the headband. You can see, just keep on watching. Very easy to sew. It's not anything stressful. This was actually the second day. I didn't finish the wig one day. I can actually finish the wig in a day, but I was busy, so I decided to continue the second day. So just sewing down the cornrow. The way I'm sewing, just sewing down the headband. The way I'm sewing down this headband, I don't want it to show when I put on the wig that I sewed it. So I just took a little bit of the material from the headband, then I sewed. Do not sew on the elastic. After finish sewing this headband, you can actually cut the excess cap space that was underneath the headband, but me, I didn't cut it because it's not showing. I'm not going to be putting any clip to lay it down. I don't like attaching clip. I won't feel comfortable, so I just sew it down like that, then I throw it on and go. So let's see the final look. So now I'm going to be spraying the wig with oil sheen just to add some shine to it. So now let's put on the wig. Can you see? I love the final look of this wig so much. The wig looks so mwah, mwah. This is the final look. Can you see this hair actually look as if I cornrow it to my own scalp? Oh my god, I love the final look of this hair. So just train some headband to it. If you don't want to put it on with the headband you attach to it, you can actually style with different kind of headband. Ooh. You can see the side I flip over did not even show. I told you at the end of the video it didn't show. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share. Subscribe if you've not. What are you waiting for? To subscribe is free. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao. Love you.